right? Last time I can carry everything, right? When I'm in my 20s, everything I carry. Because in Singapore, you hire one person. In Cambodia,
hire 5%.
Around 5. So one person have to do 5 things. In Singapore, same money. Because everywhere, production budget, same. Production budget is same, so I carry everything. But I also work out, you know. But now too old, cannot work out. Knee got problem. Okay, ding, okay, engine kaput, right? Okay, all right. So I'm going to show you, okay, a little bit of what our app can do these days, right? Because now every app is now on the phone, right? Everybody has an app. You want to make lights, you have app. Okay. Yes. So for Aperture and Amaran, we have 3 apps now. Okay. Amaran app. Okay, it runs on your phones, iOS and Android. It runs on PC and Mac. So you can do it on your computer at home. Okay, that's Amaran app, right? This guy, Amaran. Okay, next one will be Sidus Link. Okay, I'll show you. It's easier than I show you here. Okay, let's see. Okay, let me see. All right. Oh, Amaran app. Okay, that's good. Now this is Amaran, and this one is Sidus. Okay, and then Sidus Link Pro, because I can show you 3 apps at the same time. Okay, yeah, I'm very ambitious because I want to do everything. Because in Singapore, I am brought up in a way that I can be anyone, I can do anything. Okay, this is the way that you need to approach in this world these days. Okay, so this one is Sidus Link Professional. All right, this one I can use it to control every light on the market. Right, that means if I have a Godox, like expensive one, must be expensive, cannot do cheap one, expensive one. Okay, I can use Godox lights. I can use non-light. I can use RE. I can do green source, everything, all the brand I can use. Because it supports DMX. Okay, so this one are the lights that I can do, right? I can do this kind of things. Okay, I can control the lights up and down. Okay, all right? Oh yeah, I think I can do this. Okay, let me just do this. Yeah, I just turned on the DMX. Okay, wait, don't need to reset. So I just come here, control settings. Okay, all right, and CRFX on. Okay. Oh, it's linked. Okay, very good. Later on, I'll show you how. Okay, so I can actually control all these lights, and then very special, I can visualize. Yeah, nowadays the app is very strong. Okay, if you have an iPad now, okay, I can do this kind of things. Okay, I can show you edit mode, choose the car, I can move the cars. Okay, I can take this, I can move this away. Okay, I can delete this. Yeah, okay. Alright, I move the bed inside. I can move the bed away. Here, you see, I can move the car. Like this. And then, I turn on the lights, like this. And then you can see, this is what it looks like. Yeah. You can do this inside the app. This function just came out in March. Yeah, this thing just came out in actually April, not March. In April, just for NAB. It came out in April, so it's brand new. Okay. By the next half of the year, this app will go to computer. Okay. So in like August or something, it goes to computer. So you can do it here. Then when you do it here, by November, we're going to have the effects engine. When you have the effects engine, it means that you can do stage. So by the end of the year, you can do stage. So now, you do cinematography, then you do live events. So you remember those guys behind, right? Always with the big console. So we take that console, put it into an iPad. Or you can do like this. Okay, so next time, because of the new way